I'm here to do the Hustle Up the Hancock. We're doing a little practice climb. There's 25 floors, pretty easy to do. All the people involved here are people who've committed to raise $1,000 for the Respiratory Health Association. And for someone like me, that's a kind of big deal. Not to raise $1,000, but that they're raising $1,000 for people like me. I have cystic fibrosis, and I lived for 39 years without understanding what it felt like to breathe normally. And a little over 10 years ago, I had a double lung transplant from a beautiful girl named Carrie from Iowa. And my team is Carrie's Climbers, named in her honor. All of the people at this event, all of the people who do this to help people like me live longer and better lives.
I think the personal challenge as well as the opportunity to raise some money for a good cause.
I climb on behalf of raising awareness and funds and education for lung health illnesses.
Well, I climb to raise awareness and for her.
I climb so that I can help those who can't.
I lost a friend this year from lung problems, and the amount of research that you guys are able to help with, I think, is incredibly important in finding out all these causes and how to help everyone else out. So I think that that's extremely important.
We're climbing for my mom, who has a autoimmune disease that's attacking her lungs, and we're just climbing to help raise awareness and support for all the doctors who are doing the great research trying to cure diseases that affect my mom and others like her.
My mother-in-law is my second mom, and so this is our second year doing it in her honor, and it's hard, but it's nothing compared to what she and so many others face, so we just try to quit our whining and get climbing.
I climb because for 39 years I suffered from cystic fibrosis, and for 39 years I've watched other friends and family climb for me and other causes.
So experiencing relatives that have been smokers and have passed away from poor lung health, it's made me very inspired to continue to spread the word that lung health is something that we all need to be concerned with.
Make sure that you have Listerment for your mouths while you're walking up the stairs. Because it'll get dry and it'll burn.
It's just keeping in mind what it's for and all these great people that support you. It's a real pleasure.
Do it with family and friends, and just realize that you're doing it for people that can't do it, and they're relying on you to raise donations to help them so they can do it.
It's not as hard as you think. If you have the right mindset and you have something that motivates you and you pace yourself really more than anything else, I think anybody can really put their mind to it and accomplish it. And I think that in and of itself makes it such a great event.
There's just so much work that needs to be done to provide hope and options for so many people. It's such a lung disease is so widespread and there's so little work that's really been done on it. So anything we can do to bring attention to it as well as raise money for better research, I think little bit can have a large positive effect.